Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds Creative Outlier Air using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and at the left side we have USB-C port near to the indicators, and we just connect the second USB-C cable right at this port, and right here near to the right earbud we have battery charging indicator. So we can see this LED light, and meaning that your earbuds charging. This earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so this is the only way to use your phone to charge your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!